The KFC franchisee makeup has changed substantially in recent years. It wasn't long ago that there were over 600 franchisees, and now the number is less than 400, a noticeable difference. Most of the reduction in franchisee count has come through recent and accelerating M&A activity. And the M&A activity has intensified for several reasons. Number one, aging of the franchise system base. Number two, revitalized sales performance in the brand. Number three, increased capital needs to support the American Showman remodeling program. Number four, easier access to debt financing. Number five, lower franchisee profits due to wage concerns. Number six, overall consolidation trend in franchising. And number seven, the specific influence of KBP Foods as a consolidator within the KFC system. Over the past 2 years, Unbridled has had the honor and privilege to represent almost 20 franchisees in the sale or acquisition of KFC businesses, with a total unit count exceeding 300 KFC restaurants. A few of these sell-side assignments have included Janine and Bruce Bagshaw and family with 24 KFCs in Ohio and Kentucky, Keith and Carol Chambers with 6 KFCs in Ohio and Kentucky, Rich Alford and Ashley Cortland with 14 KFCs in Michigan, the Wheeler family with 15 KFCs in Ohio and West Virginia, and Darlene Pfeiffer with 2 KFCs in New York. During this time, Unbridled has been on the forefront of achieving increased valuations for KFC businesses. Over the past year alone, we have witnessed KFC valuations increase by almost a full turn of EBITDA, from an average of 4.5 to 5.5 times EBITDA to now 5.5 to 6.5 times EBITDA. Not only that, Unbridled has been successful in pushing for pro forma sales and EBITDA increases for remodeling closure dates, as well as R&M and other one-time expense add-backs. I'm proud to say that Unbridled has almost single-handedly raised the valuation bar and helped franchisees realize millions of extra dollars in the sale of their businesses. We expect valuations to remain at historically high levels for the next 12 to 18 months for the following 5 reasons. Number one, buyers for restaurant businesses are everywhere and demand is outstripping supply. Number two, interest rates have taken a favorable and unexpected turn in the past few months. Number three, consumer confidence and spending remain strong. Number four, overall restaurant sales have been positive for 4 quarters, the first time since 2015. However, traffic counts continue to decline. And number five, KFC has shown over 4 years of same-store sales growth and has a nice product innovation pipeline to keep growing. But along the way here, these transactions have become much more difficult to complete for the following reasons. Number one, extensive asset purchase agreement negotiations. 2, heavy indemnification provisions and escrow agreements. 3, financing due diligence and quality of earnings studies. 4, store-level inspections and price reductions for deferred maintenance. 5, franchisor approval and development requirements. And 6, lease assignment difficulties and environmental concerns. In the recent past, most franchisees would consider an advisor only because they wanted to get the highest price. And at the same time, most advisors didn't have the financial, legal, and tax experience to solve problems and offer help throughout the various phases of an M&A transaction. However, as the complexity of selling a KFC business has really tripled in the past few years, the need for a world-class advisor is much greater than it has ever been, and options remain limited. Unbridled is very thankful to be the best in class at providing Wall Street level investment banking expertise to the franchise industry in a way that was previously unavailable to most KFC franchisees. We are passionate about our clients' outcomes, comprehensive in our knowledge of their businesses, innovative in finding solutions to reduce deal risk, and relatable in walking side by side with clients as they make one of the most important decisions of their lives. We care deeply about the KFC brand, its legacy, and its franchisees. I invite you to reach out to us anytime if you want the best expertise, the strongest prices, and the least risk when considering the sale or financing of your KFC business.